Well, and here we go again. I couldn't resist having a perfect experience on this first Drake R4C, so I tore it back apart. I didn't take the PTO all the way out, but I loosened it up and pulled back on the wires. I guess I should take it all the way back out, but I did take this PTO gearing back apart. Wow, is it nice now? It's nice and smooth, so let's see. Yeah, I can just, it doesn't make any noise now. It's really smooth. Well, maybe a few clicks. It's real smooth, real happy with it. So anyway, I did put this synthetic polyolefin lubricant into it. And here's how it looks. I figured this works on printer gears, so I did lubricate all these gears and the shafts. And we'll see how it works out. We'll see if it goes bad, see if it doesn't, but I sure like the net result of this thing. It's smooth as can be. I also found this little washer back here was, I couldn't get it back on. It was kind of, this little washer back here was kind of hung up. It sits on top of this pin. This thing was kind of hung up. So I had to cut a gap in it to, had to cut like a little piece off the side because it wouldn't really fit with that tooth. So I kind of cut a part of it off to let the tooth fit. So now I guess that washer is keyed to the tooth, but who cares? And it seems like it's working great, so I'm not sure if the oil they put on this thing expanded that washer or not, or what happened to it, but here's how it looks now. It's quiet. Here's how the discs look. They wobble still. I guess they're warped or whatever. These discs are in bad shape, but they're better than they were. They don't scrape. They almost scrape, but they don't scrape, so. Anyway, I couldn't be happier. So this is Drake R4B number 1 with the higher advanced serial number on it, with the 6JE7 mixers. I've been cleaning the heck out of the other one to get it ready to go here. This one, I've been listening to this thing during the day when I work, and I just wanted it to have the same advantage as the other one as far as the PTO. So anyway, I'll put it back together and use it, see how it works. Anyway, if you got a Drake, you might want to put this stuff in it and forget about the other kind of grease, or just don't grease it. But I couldn't just let it go by not greasing it. I thought it had a little bit of a stickiness to it. When I would turn this thing from it sitting for like 10 minutes, it would kind of click a little bit. Now it doesn't click, it just goes. So that's what I wanted. I wanted this thing to act like it was new. So I'm happy. It's still not going to be as good as an R4B as far as metal gears, but we're getting closer, figuring this out, okay? Thanks for watching, and if you got a Drake R4C, you might want to consider this. Take this apart, put that stuff in there. Well, we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.